How to remove your story from narrative on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove it easy and quick. First open VK, and once you're here click on your story here on your profile and click view story, and here we'll find it. Now click these 3 points and then you can click delete story, or you can just go to your narrative here and click these 3 points, and here we'll find remove from narrative, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.